Today, we're going to share a simple story to help you practice your English. The story is about a girl named Maya and her lovely day off from school. Let's listen together. My name is Maya, and today I want to tell you about my day off. It's a wonderful day, and I want to share it with you. Today was my day off from school, so I didn't have to wake up early. I woke up a little later than usual, around 9 o'clock. The sun was shining into my room, making everything look bright and cheerful. The light was soft and warm, not too strong. My room felt so quiet and peaceful. It was the perfect way to start a relaxing day. I love mornings like this, with no rush and no alarms. I stretched my arms high above my head, feeling the sleepiness leave my body. Then I got out of my cozy bed and walked to the kitchen. My mum was already there, making a delicious breakfast for us. The smell of pancakes and fresh fruit filled the air. It was a very nice and comforting smell. I asked my mum if I could help, and she smiled and said yes. I helped her put the plates, forks, and spoons on the table. We sat down and ate breakfast together. We talked about our plans for the day. My mum asked me what I wanted to do, and I told her I just wanted to relax and have fun. It felt so nice to have a slow, peaceful meal with my mum. I felt very happy and relaxed, with no worries about homework or tests. It was just me and my mum enjoying our time together. After we finished breakfast, I decided to clean my room. I wanted it to be neat and organized. First, I folded my warm blanket and put it neatly at the end of my bed. Then, I looked at my bookshelf. It was a little messy, so I organized my books. I put the big books on the bottom shelf and the small books on the top shelf. Next, I put all my toys in the right place. My teddy bear went on my bed, and my building blocks went into their box. When I was done, everything looked so tidy and clean. With my room looking fresh and organized, I decided it was time for a creative activity. I spent some time drawing. I have a big box of colored pencils with every color you can imagine. I took out my pencils and a fresh sheet of paper. I decided to draw a picture of a sunny garden. I drew tall green trees, bright yellow sunflowers, and a beautiful blue sky. Drawing always makes me feel calm and happy. It's like creating my own little world on paper. A little while later, my mum came into my room and saw my drawing. She said it was beautiful. Then she said, "Let's go outside for a walk. The weather is perfect today." I was so excited. I love going to the park. So we put on our shoes and went to the park near our house. The park was full of life. The trees were so green, and the sky was a brilliant, clear blue. I could hear the birds singing sweet songs in the trees. I ran straight to the playground. First, I played on the swings. I swung higher and higher, feeling the wind in my hair. I laughed a lot and felt so free and energetic. There were many other families at the park too. Kids were playing and parents were chatting. Everyone was enjoying the beautiful day. After spending a long time at the park, we started to feel a little thirsty. On our way home, we stopped at a small shop. My mum said I could get a juice as a treat. I looked at all the different flavors. There was apple, grape, and strawberry. I chose my favorite flavor, orange. The juice was cold and sweet, and it tasted so refreshing after all that playing. When we returned home, I felt a little tired, so I decided to relax on the sofa. I turned on the television and watched a short cartoon. It was a funny show about a talking cat and mouse, and it made me laugh. It was nice to just sit back and rest for a little while. My mum sat with me and we watched the cartoon together. In the evening, it was time for dinner. My mum cooked a warm, delicious meal. We had pasta with a tasty vegetable sauce. The kitchen was filled with another wonderful smell. We sat at the dinner table and ate together. We talked about our day, sharing our favorite moments. We laughed and told stories. Dinner time is always a special time in our house because we get to connect and share our experiences. I brushed my teeth very carefully, just like my dentist taught me. Then I put on my comfortable pajamas and sat on my bed. I picked out a small storybook to read. The book was about a little bear on an adventure. Reading a story helps me wind down and get ready for sleep. It was a simple day, but it was one of the best. It was full of peace, happiness, and joy. I spent quality time with my mum, played outside, and did things I love. Thank you for listening to my story. I hope you enjoyed it and learned some new English words. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more stories.